What's up, everybody? I'm here at the North Shore Pog Lake. I came to get a few photos of the sunset, maybe some wildlife if I can find some. I'm gonna take a walk down the road. This is a pretty heavily populated area for deer and turkey. I usually see them on the road here, so I'm just gonna take a quick little walk down the road and see what I can see. So I come to this area during hunting season sometimes. One of the gangs we hunt with, they hunt down this road, and it's a pretty good hunting area. It's like overpopulated with deer, so I'm hoping to snap a real good picture today. I don't really have any expectations. You know, I'm just here to capture the sunset. If I get some wildlife, then that's just an extra bonus. I did see a fox and a turkey on the way up here. I did manage to grab some photos of the fox, but he was pretty far out there. I was stretching it for this lens. But yeah, I'm going to continue on. I'm trying to be a little bit more quiet. Trying not to yell, because I don't want to spook everything away. It's a pretty windy day, so that's definitely on my side. But I'm just going to take a walk down that road and see what I can see. Grab myself some B-roll and try and make a video out of this. See those tracks. This road is freshly graded, which is perfect for me for looking for wildlife tracks. Look how smooth that is. It's perfect. Such a beautiful spot. I love this forest. It's almost magical. So much wildlife. It's a beautiful, beautiful spot. You know, it doesn't get any better than this, really. Out here by myself. Other than the mosquitoes are still a little active, but, well, very active, I would say. But you're not going to get a better night than this. It's absolutely gorgeous out. You know, it's one thing I love to do is just come and sit by the lake for the last couple hours of daylight. Maybe grab myself a few pictures of birds, wildlife, capture the sunset. No clouds out today, so it won't be very dramatic, but I'm sure there's going to be lots of color. It's been a beautiful day. It's been absolutely gorgeous. I just want to thank all you guys for coming along and enjoying this beautiful, beautiful night we have here. been unsuccessful so far. finding some wildlife. Other than mosquitoes, they're very healthy. Very healthy population of mosquitoes here in Canada. But I'm gonna head back to the car now and set up for the sunset shot. The sun is just peeking over the trees now, so should make for a perfect scene. All right. So I just found that little creek over there, and as I was coming out, I noticed the no trespassing sign. So I wasn't too far off the road, though. I was probably only about 6 feet. So I think it's 33 feet for a road allowance. I don't know if you guys can see in there's a massive swamp, so that is where all the bugs are coming from. Man, they are biting me good. I probably have 50 on my hand right now. So this is my first time in this area trying to capture a sunset. Doesn't look like, you can see that the sun is over there. Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to get a sun going over the horizon picture. So there's a little road over here, someone's laneway, but it goes out to a peninsula there. So I'm going to go walk down his laneway about, I don't know, it's only like 20 feet. Try and capture it from there. It's a pretty big deer truck. Might not look like it. But it's actually a pretty big deer. So, as you can see, it's not that far of a walk, but I'm still not going to be able to capture the sunset there. So I'm just going to go down the road with the vehicle. There's a good spot, maybe about 1 kilometer from here. I should still be able to get a few shots of the sun going down. Hopefully see a deer or something too. So this is a pretty good example. It's almost big enough to be a calf track. You can see I put the lens cover there for comparison. That's pretty big. It's either a really big buck or a calf moose. Well, I just seen a little doe, but I had my camera still on the tripod. I wasn't really set up, and it ran off the road before I get my camera ready. So I might have just got it going into the bush, but we'll have to see on the replay, I guess. Look at that moon though. Almost a full moon. That's gorgeous. Alright, so I've come up to the next lake, and well, this isn't going to disappoint. Look at that. Isn't this place just beautiful? It's absolutely stunning. The bugs don't seem quite as bad here yet, but that could change very shortly. So I'm just going to set the camera up and try and get a few photos of this beautiful scene we got here. This would be absolutely gorgeous if there was clouds. I'm coming here again when there's clouds someday, guaranteed. I only seen the one white-tailed deer, a little doe, which is fine. I wasn't expecting to see anything. I'm happy I got to see that. Look at that sun just shining off the water. It's like glass. What a breathtaking scene. Absolutely beautiful. That's not gorgeous. I don't know what is. This has been an absolutely breathtaking trip after spending the whole week sitting at the computer editing videos, editing photos, you know, uploading all the photos and videos onto the computer. To drive you a little stir crazy after a while, and to get out and do something like this it's just breathtaking. It's something I enjoy a lot. Look at that sunset. Isn't that just gorgeous? Now, if there was clouds out, just a little tiny bit of clouds, wow. Oh well, I'm not complaining though. It was a perfect evening, except for the black flies are out in full force now, and they are crazy. That's okay. It's worth it. In my books anyway. Thanks guys. Love yous all. You guys have yourself a great day.